and welcome to today's video. We are talking Boxycharm for January. We're talking Boxycharm Base Box, sneak peek spoilers, premium, all of that. So before we jump into the video, guys, if you are new here, happy new year and welcome. My name is Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we chit-chat, forget about the craziness that's going on around us, and just have a good old time, you know, being kind to one another. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, guys, so I have been enjoying, like, when I do these videos, which granted your girl's rusty. I've sat down for the first time to film in like 2.5 weeks. So the last time I did one of these videos, I just kind of scrolled through Instagram and did it that way, and I kind of liked it. You guys seem to enjoy it. It's kind of like our way of like getting coffee, tea, water, if you're me, and just chit-chatting with each other about what we are going to see for our Boxycharms. So if you guys are new to Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription where you can choose base box or the premium box, and you do get to customize one item in the box every single month. And I will talk about a very important date for this month that you need to stay tuned for. So let's go ahead and check out. I always make sure to leave their handle over here wherever I pull from. So we're gonna go ahead and go with the Boxycharm sneak peek for this, and we're talking what the choices were for the base box. I'm gonna kind of do like a quick little recap with you guys on that, and then we have 2 spoilers for the base box so far. So the first item that you could have chose for the $25 a month base box is the Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1. This is like a tinted type of moisturizer. They did have actually a really good selection as far as that goes. The next item that we are seeing, or that was a choice, was by the lifestyle company Los Angeles. This was a reset mist that has lavender and tea tree oil. This is good for your body. You can mist it over your body, or you can use it as a linen spray, like before you go to bed, when you're taking a nap, whatever it may be. And I'll be honest with you guys, I have one by Ren, and I'm not mad about it. I'm not mad about it. I actually use it before bed, and I do, whether it's a placebo effect or not, I do feel that it kind of does help me calm down. The next item that we are seeing that was a choice is by Laura Geller, and this was a highlighter duo, the High Def Glow Illumination Duo. And as I told you guys when the choices came out, I did not choose this simply because I felt like I have enough highlighters. Like, trust your girl, I have enough highlighters. And then moving on to the last item, I believe is by Avient, and this was one that I ended up going with because you guys told me how amazing it was. It's a hyaluronic acid rejuvenation micellar water. It was really expensive, so I think that that was part of the reason why, but a lot of you guys said you had picked it up in like Boxy pop-up or Boxy add-on, and you guys said it was absolutely amazing, so I went ahead and I snagged it. Now, looking over here, I don't see where, I want to say, correct me if I'm wrong, my memory is poo, but I want to say there was like 2 other items that we saw in the choices. One was like an eyeshadow palette, and I can't remember what the other one is. Let me see if I can find it, because I know maybe I'm losing it. I mean, that's a good possibility. It's been a while. I'm a little rusty, but I could have sworn there was another eyeshadow palette that we had seen. Here it is. Okay, so I'm pulling this from Ipsy versus Boxy, and there was. The other choices that you could have made was the Esmeralda 2 palette by Beauty Creations, the Ace Beauté bronzer palette, which we did receive in the past. I have that one. I really like that one. Or you could have chosen the Persona Cosmetics Duo brush. Again, all of these choices were great. I want to know what you guys' thoughts were on this. Did you like seeing new products that we have not seen in the past? Or, for example, the Pure 4-in-1? And did you like having the option to choose things that you did see in the past but maybe you didn't receive in your box? Does that make sense? Hopefully it does. Anyways, like I was saying, I thought that was pretty cool, and I did like that they gave us the opportunity to see items in the past that maybe we didn't get in another box. So moving back over to some of the spoilers that we are seeing for the base box. And again, the base box is a $25 a month box where you will receive at least $125 worth of goodies, and you do get to customize one item. So as always, you are going to know one of the items in this box because you picked it. Okay, so the other sneak peeks that we are seeing is by Pharmacy. It looks like it's going to be a variation between two different items. One being the Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleansing Toner. Let me know you guys' thoughts on this. Have you tried it out? And then the other item is the Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. And either one of those items I would be pretty excited about. You guys know, as much as I love makeup, I love me hair care, and I love skin care. Like, I feel like for like the 2.5 weeks that I haven't filmed, pretty much haven't even had any type of makeup on, but skincare was not slacking. Your girl was still in that skincare. So to me, this is always wonderful when we see variations of skincare along with makeup products in here. So that is what we know thus far when it comes to the base box. Again, the $25 a month box for January. Let's go ahead and move over to the premium box now. The premium box is $35 a month. You will receive $175 worth of goodies in here. And one of the items Boxycharm was kind enough to send over my way. I did do a dedicated video using everything in here for my face, nothing else other than like concealer and foundation and powder. But other than that, it was the OFRA Cosmetics palette. Again, this is for or with Boxycharm. So you're not going to be able to go to OFRA Cosmetics and pick this palette up. But as you guys saw in my video, I did a full face using this on my eyes and the bronzer, the highlight, everything. And actually I have some of these shades on today. I have this highlighter on. It's such a pretty palette. It's so easy to work with. Like I told you guys in that video, I love the fact that you can pop these pans out. They're interchangeable if that's something that you want to do and you want to use this to travel with. It's a lot smaller than, oh, I must have put it up. I thought I had the larger one sitting here, but it's a lot smaller. It's more of a travel size. You can pop in your eyeshadows, your blushers, your highlight, whatever you want, and I love that. I love the fact that it's magnetic and we can do that. So anyways, everybody is going to be receiving this in their premium box. Now, like I said, just like with the base box, you do get to customize one item in the box. Let's go ahead and go over the choices for the premium. Y'all, it was a tricky choice as far as I'm concerned, because the first item that you could have chosen was by Fenty Beauty. And again, I'll be popping pictures up over here for you guys if you guys are interested. We had the Fenty Beauty powders, and I was quite shocked because they did have a good variety of powders to choose from. So the first item you could have chosen, like I said, was by Fenty Beauty, or you could have chosen one of the Laura. These are like the OG eyeshadow sticks, I believe is what they're called. They're the caviar sticks is what they're called, and they're OG. I'm telling you guys, mark my flipping words, if you watch Sephora recommendation videos, I always would see these in people's videos who have been on YouTube, I'd say more than like 4 or 5 years. You know what I mean? Like, I guess that's around the time, like 3 to 5 years ago, that they came out. But these are supposedly really, really easy. I have some in my collection that I received in like an Ipsy bag. I still need to play around with. So I will definitely be doing some sort of video showing you guys how they work, what have you. But that was your other choice that you could have picked. And the nice thing that I did notice when you go in there and make your choices with the caviar sticks is it wasn't just like 1 or 2 shades. There was a variety of shades. So anyways, moving on from there, we got some more sneaky peekies when it comes to the premium box. One of which is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. You guys, this is another thing that I see a lot of people in their recommendation videos for Sephora VIB sales is this particular mask. I want to try it. I am excited for it. I really hope I get it. I don't know if it's a variation, but it is something that we will be seeing in our premium for January. So those are the little sneak peeks that I have for you guys now because my battery is starting to die. But I did want to go over with you guys, choice and add-on date is coming January 11th. It is a Monday. It is open up for everybody, it does look like. So you can make your selection for the February boxes on January 11th. So make sure to mark your calendar as far as that goes. It looks like it's going to be opening up at 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And then after we do our choice, we can start shopping the add-ons, which I'm really hoping we see a lot of choices being in the add-ons. So I'm really hoping that some of these choices for either December or January or February, what have you, ends up in our add-ons to do a little bit of shopping. Do I need to do the shopping? No. Am I gonna? Yes, because your girl's weak and I love to save money. So there's that. Anyways, guys, let me know what are some items that you are excited to see. Of course, I'm going to be back going over some more items because I'm sure by the time I get this video edited and uploaded and scheduled and released to you guys, there's going to be some more sneaky peekies. So make sure to stay tuned for that. Anyways, friends, check out my second channel. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and, of course, Hailey's channel. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.